Welcome to Bad into Fab, when I turn this broken down dresser into something fabulous. First thing we're doing is removing the dresser drawers. That way we can get inside the dresser more easily. Next, I'm taking my drill with a Phillips head screw and removing the glides for the non-existent drawers. Now it's time to wipe down the unit. I used a wet cloth, but you can also use a sticky cheesecloth found at paint stores. Since I found this unit on the side of the road, the backing was actually not attached very well, so I'm just adding some simple finishing nails to keep the backing sturdy. The next step is to actually sand the unit. You're going to want to use a small grade sander. After sanding, wipe it down again and then start painting. I am using a Dunn Edwards Velvet Blue paint for my color. When painting, I like to go with the grain, so that way if you do end up with texture, it looks like it's part of the wood. I decided that I would like to use the same handles that came on the drawers. So what I'm doing is taking my Phillips drill and taking the handles off. So that way I can sand the drawer, paint it, and paint the new handles. For the handles, I'm using a Rust-Oleum Gold spray paint. It's very nice and simple, and you get an even coat. The blue paint is looking fabulous, but now we are making a counter to go in the middle of the unit. You can get wood from Home Depot or Lowe's, but I actually had some spare wood lying around that I used and pieced together for my counter. To finish off, I'm using a polyurethane on the piece. This way, it helps protect it from any water damage that might occur and any sun damage. After the polyurethane dries, you can get adhesive paper. They are located in Walmart or any craft stores. Right now I am measuring which way works best for my counter. Once you have your measurements done, then you simply cut, remove the backing, and place it where you want it to go. Do you know what I'm turning this dresser into yet? Here's a clue. I am spray painting a wine rack. Yes, this dresser is now going to be a fashionable bar. Once my wire rack has dried, I start to install. I put it in the very back right-hand corner and drill it in. We are now done with our Bad into Fab. Our old dresser is now a modern chic bar. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.